Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Education LD. Today we will be going to learn the use of wood. वुड का इस्तेमाल कैसे करें, तो चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले ऑफ टाइम. लेट्स स्टार्ट. विल और वुड दोनों ही मॉडल क्रियाएं हैं, लेकिन इनका इस्तेमाल अलग अलग संदर्भों में किया जाता है. विल संज्ञा भी हो सकती है, जबकि वुड विल का भूतकाल है. विल का प्रयोग सामान्यतः भविष्य काल के लिए किया जाता है, जबकि वुड का प्रयोग काल्पनिक स्थितियों पे या विनम्र अनुरोधों के लिए किया जाता है. वुड का इस्तेमाल इस तरह से किया जा सकता है. नाउ लेट्स लर्न विद सम सेंटेंसेस. I would like a cup of coffee. मुझे एक कप कॉफ़ी चाहिए. I would like a cup of coffee. Next, he would go to the party if he were invited. अगर उसे निमंत्रण मिलता तो वह पार्टी में जाता. He would go to the party if he were invited. Next, she would help you if she had the time. अगर उसके पास समय होता तो वह आपकी मदद करती. She would have helped you if she had time. Next, would you like some tea? क्या आप कुछ चाय लेना चाहेंगे? Would you like some tea? Next, they would travel more if they had more money. अगर उनके पास ज़्यादा पैसे होते तो वे ज़्यादा यात्रा करते. They would travel more if they had more money. Next, I would prefer to stay home tonight. मुझे आज रात घर पर रहना पसंद होगा. I would prefer to stay home tonight. Next, would you mind closing the door? क्या आपको दरवाज़ा बंद करने में कोई आपत्ति होगी? Would you mind closing the door? Next, I would have called you but I have lost my phone. मैंने तुम्हें फ़ोन किया होता लेकिन मेरा फ़ोन खो गया. I would have called you but I lost my phone. Next, he would be happy to join us for dinner. वह हमारे साथ रात के खाने के लिए खुश होकर शामिल होगा. He would be happy to join us for dinner. Next, we would visit you if we were free. अगर हम फ्री होते तो हम तुम्हारे पास आते. We would visit you if we were free. Next, I would love to visit Paris someday. मुझे कभी न कभी पेरिस जाने का बहुत मन है. I would love to visit Paris someday. Next, if I were you, I would apologize. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं माफ़ी मांगता. If I were you, I would apologize. Next, would you like to join me for a walk? क्या आप मेरे साथ टहलने चलेंगे? Would you like to join me for a walk? Next, I would rather stay at home than go out. मैं बाहर जाने के बजाय घर पर रहना पसंद करूँगा. I would rather stay at home than go out. Next, she have passed the exam if she had studied harder. अगर उसने ज़्यादा मेहनत से पढ़ाई की होती तो वह परीक्षा पास कर लेती. She would have passed the exam if she had studied harder. Next, would you please send me the document? क्या आप कृपया मुझे दस्तावेज भेज सकते हैं? Would you please send me the documents? Next, I would have been upset if I had known the truth. अगर मुझे सच्चाई पता होती तो मैं परेशान हो जाता. I would have been upset if I had known the truth. Next, he would be a great addition to the team. वह टीम के लिए एक बेहतरीन जोड़ होगा. He would be a great addition to the team. Next, would you like to go for a movie? क्या आप मूवी देखने जाना चाहेंगे? Would you like to go for a movie? Next, I would suggest trying the new restaurant in town. मैं सुझाव दूंगा कि आप शहर में नया रेस्टोरेंट ट्राई करें. I would suggest you to try the new restaurant in the town. Next, she would prefer a vegetarian dish. उसे शाकाहारी व्यंजन पसंद है. She would prefer a vegetarian dish. Next, she would appreciate your feedback on this matter. हम इस मामले पर आपकी प्रतिक्रिया की सराहना करेंगे. We would appreciate your feedback on this matter. Next, they would help you if they knew you needed it. अगर उन्हें पता होता कि आपको इसकी ज़रूरत है तो वे आपकी मदद करते. They would have helped you if they knew you needed it. Next, I would like to confirm my appointment. मैं अपनी अपॉइंटमेंट की पुष्टि करना चाहूँगा. I would like to confirm my appointment. Next, if I had more time, I would learn a new language. अगर मेरे पास और समय होता तो मैं नई भाषा सीखता. If I had more time, I would learn a new language. Next, would you mind sharing your opinion? क्या आप अपनी राय साझा करने में कोई आपत्ति है? क्या आपको अपनी राय साझा करने में कोई आपत्ति होगी? Would you mind sharing your opinion? Next, I would be grateful if you could assist me. अगर आप मेरी मदद कर सकें तो मैं आभारी रहूँगा. I would be grateful if you could assist me. Next, they would rather wait than leave early. वे जल्दी छोड़ने के बजाय इंतज़ार करना पसंद करेंगे. They would rather wait than leave early. Next, would you be interested in a new project? क्या आप एक नए प्रोजेक्ट में दिलचस्पी लेंगे? Would you be interested in a new project? Next, if it were possible, I would live in the mountains. अगर ये मुमकिन होता तो मैं पहाड़ों में रहता. If it were possible, I would live in the mountains. Next, he would not have gone there if he had known about the weather. अगर उसे मौसम के बारे में पता होता तो वह वहाँ नहीं जाता. He would have not gone there if he had known about the weather. Next, I would like to have a meeting tomorrow. मुझे कल एक बैठक करनी होगी. I would like to have a meeting tomorrow. Next, would you care for some dessert? क्या आप कुछ मिठाई लेना चाहेंगे? Would you care for some dessert? Next, I would not do that if I were you. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं ऐसा नहीं करता. I would not do that if I were you. Next, they would have come if they had been invited. अगर उन्हें निमंत्रण मिला होता तो वे आते. They would have come if they had been invited. Next, I would be happy to assist you with your projects. मैं आपके प्रोजेक्ट में मदद करने के लिए खुश हूँ. I would be happy to assist you with your project. Next, would you be able to help me with this task? क्या आप इस कार्य में मेरी सहायता करेंगे? Would you be able to help me with this task? Next, I would have gone to the gym, but I didn't feel like. मैं जिम गया होता लेकिन मुझे ऐसा करने का मन नहीं था. I would have gone to the gym, but I didn't like it. Next, would you mind closing the window? क्या आप खिड़की बंद करने में कोई आपत्ति करेंगे? Would you mind closing the window? Next, I would suggest you try that new book. मैं आपको वह नई किताब पढ़ने का सुझाव दूंगा. I would suggest you to try that new book. Next, he would rather not discuss it right now. वह अभी इस बारे में चर्चा नहीं करना चाहेगा. He would rather not discuss it right now. Next, would it be okay if I called you later? क्या ये ठीक रहेगा अगर मैं आपको बाद में फ़ोन करूं? Would it be okay if I called you later? Next, I would be thrilled to work with such a team. ऐसी टीम के साथ काम करके मुझे खुशी होगी. Next, would you like to come over for dinner? क्या आप डिनर के लिए हमारे पास आना चाहेंगे? Would you like to come over for dinner? Next, if I were rich, I would travel the world. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो मैं दुनिया भर में यात्रा करता. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Next, she would love to go on a vacation. उसे छुट्टी पर जाने का बहुत मन है. उसे छुट्टियों पर जाने का बहुत मन है. She would love to go on a vacation. Next, I would recommend this restaurant to anyone. मैं इस रेस्टोरेंट की सिफारिश किसी से भी करूँगा. I would recommend this restaurant to anyone. रेस्टोरेंट नहीं होता है रेस्टोरेंट. Okay? Next, he would be upset if he found out. अगर उसे पता चला तो वह परेशान हो जाएगा. He would be upset if he found out. Next, I would rather not speak about it. मैं इस बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहूँगा. I would rather not speak about this. Next, would you like to try this on? क्या आप इसे पहनकर देखना चाहेंगे? Would you like to try this on? Next, if you would like, I can assist you with that. अगर आप चाहें तो मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ. If you would like, I can assist you with that. Next, I would be honored to work with you. मुझे आपके साथ काम करके सम्मानित महसूस होगा. I would be honored to work with you. Next, would you prefer a morning or a evening meeting? क्या आप सुबह या शाम की बैठक पसंद करेंगे? Would you prefer a morning or a evening meeting? Next, I would be happy to show you around the city. मुझे आपको शहर घुमाने में खुशी होगी. I would be happy to show you around the city. Next, would you be interested in a coffee date? क्या आप एक कॉफ़ी डेट में दिलचस्पी लेंगे? Would you be interested in a coffee date? Next, I would not have believed it if I hadn't seen it myself. अगर मैंने खुद नहीं देखा होता तो मैं इसे विश्वास नहीं करता. I would not have believed it if I hadn't seen it myself. Next, would you be willing to help me with my homework? क्या आप मेरे होमवर्क में मेरी मदद करने के लिए तैयार होंगे? Would you be willing to help me with my homework? Next, She would have liked the party if she had attended. अगर वह पार्टी में जाती तो उसे वह पसंद आती. She would have liked the party if she had attended. Next, I would love to see you soon. I would love to see you again soon. मैं आपको जल्दी फिर से देखना अच्छा लगेगा. मुझे आपको जल्दी फिर से देखना अच्छा लगेगा. I would love to see you again. Next, would you agree to the terms? क्या आप शर्तों से सहमत होंगे? Would you agree to the terms? इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड गेस डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. बाय बाय.